Hey, I'm Monica Farber, a travel and fashion photographer, and today I'm walking you through how I use Dehancer plugin in Premiere Pro to get that nostalgic cinematic look without the hassle of shooting real film. Once I apply the plugin to my clip, it automatically opens up a full set of film emulation tools in the effects control panel. I always start by selecting a film stock. I look through all of them to see what I'm drawn to, and in this case I've chosen Kodak Vision 3 500T. Something with a soft contrast and rich natural color that really fits my fashion editorial style. After that, I'll make adjustments in the color head section. This tool simulates the color cast that you get from analog color timing in a traditional film lab, and I love the level of control that it gives. A lot different than applying just any standard preset that you can buy on the internet. I'll push the shadows slightly warmer, warm up the midtones just a bit, and leave the highlights neutral. This creates a beautiful depth that makes the footage feel more layered and cinematic without it making it too overly stylized. Next, I'll move to film grain. Now this part is key. I don't want fake overlay grain. I want something that reacts to the image the way that real film would. I'm not trying to make this look like a filter. I usually lower the resolution just a touch and bring up the size to give it a more organic feel. It adds texture and character without overwhelming the image. I also sometimes experiment with the print settings to fine-tune the contrast curve and get exactly the tonality I want. It's very subtle, but it makes a difference, especially in skin tones and shadows. Just play around with the sliders and you'll get used to it, and you'll learn over time what you like for your style of filming. What I love most is that Dehancer lets me keep working with my DSLR and mirrorless cameras, and it still gives me that analog editorial finish without the cost, time, and stress of shooting actual film. And I can tweak every single setting so that each edit is truly my own and not just a preset. If you're interested in trying this for yourself, simply go to www.dehancer.com and you can use the promo code Monica for a 10% off discount, which is valid on all Dehancer products, not just the Adobe plugins that you see here. Let me know what you think.